Hey, what's up everyone? This is Griffin Lepore, uncut, raw, and unedited. And today I'm here to show you how to make a concrete weight. And this video is for people who suck with tools and people who suck with concrete, first time using concrete. If you're experienced with this shit, go find a better video because this video will not be for you. So let's get started. Alright, so here's all the materials we're going to be needing. So I got this 17-gallon tub from Walmart for $5, and that's gonna make this big weight right here. This is my first weight I made. I made it yesterday. Well, I brought it out today, and yeah, this is good. I gotta get it weighed still, see how much this weighs, but I'm happy with it. And then so I also got this bucket for $3 from Home Depot, 5-gallon bucket. I got this is a little unnecessary, but I got 10 feet of PVC pipe, and it's 1 inch because I have 1 inch barbells, so I gotta use a 1 inch one. And I got this high strength concrete for $4. So everything here, I'm working on a budget. Anyways, let me show you how you make this. So yesterday I learned I used about like half the bag. I made a mistake where I poured the whole entire bag in and then tried to put the water in, and it didn't mix well. So now I'm going to do it a little bit easier. I'm going to mix it, put water in, mix it a little bit at a time. We should be good. But first I'm going to cut the PVC pipe. I cut it about to like 3 inches last time. That worked out pretty well. I'll be right back. Let me get my saw. I use no special tools. This is about, this shit's heavy. It's about the brunt I got. So let me get my tape measure. Measure out 3 inches. Sharpie it. Now let me cut it. As you can tell, I do nothing special. This is gonna be a pretty shitty cut. Now I got this cut out. I'm gonna take my tub. I'm gonna put this PVC pipe right in the middle of the tub like that. I measured it out. It's pretty much, I think it's 8 inches. This is pretty much the center. I believe myself. All right. Now it's time to mix the concrete. So we got that. Oh, shit's heavy. Alright, where should I set you up? Alright. Here we go. A little bit. I'm just gonna pour a little bit of water in. Hopefully not too much. And I'm gonna take this little spade, mix this shit up. Motherfucker. As you can see, this is what it looks like. To this, a lot more water, because you don't want to make it soupy, so you gotta just add just the right amount. Yes, this is my second time ever working with concrete. I'm not the concrete master. If you know better, do whatever you want. I'm just going with what I was doing yesterday. Shit I learned from yesterday. Just don't put too much mix in at the same time. So now I probably add too much water. See, it's getting a little soupy over there. Or maybe it's just perfect. Who knows? I don't know. I'll tell you that. My dad didn't teach me shit about working with tools. Because he isn't no shit either. Anyways, let me do a time lapse or something. I think I gotta keep on matching this shit. I'll figure that out. Hold on a sec. Alright, so I used the last of my concrete, and now you want to level this shit out. Make it look nice. As you see, I'm using a spade, so, or whatever this thing's called, so it's not going to be perfect. But, yeah, it's fine if it's as good as you can. Shit. Yeah, a lot of people hot glue this down, but I don't feel like doing that. I don't got time for that. But let me tell you, this might not look good, but this is a lot better than it looked yesterday, and that's what I came with yesterday. So I'll show you what this final product looks like. Probably be done by tomorrow. But damn, this shit is actually not looking bad. Let's put this more in the middle. Gotta get more concrete over on that side. That'll just look stupid. Alright, well, this looks good. So we're about an hour into these weights drying, and this is the point where I like to write into the weights. So let me write my name right here. This is completely optional. See, I'm not an artist, so this kind of blows. Alright, let's say this one weighs 450 pounds. Alright, so there you go. Proof weights, 450 pounds. We'll give this about 23 more hours to dry, and we'll check on this then. So this is the concrete I made yesterday. It is now time to take it out of the bin. This should be an adventure. Let's see how this goes. So for this, I'm gonna get a hammer. If I can find one. Gee. I got my hammer, so I'm just gonna hammer the sides, and hopefully this comes out. Shit. I'm gonna take this outside because it might get a little messy. Are you with me? Alright, so now I got it outside. Holy shit. It worked. Oh my god. Look at this weight. Holy shit. The bottom looks cool. The top I kind of messed up on. Wow. Oh, fuck me. As you can see, I messed up here. And there's concrete in the middle, so it's not good. Let's see if I can hammer this one out. Ah, shit. Oh, easy peasy. That hammer's right out. See, now I got the PVC pipe in the middle. I might take it out. Or I could leave it in. Wow. I'm actually impressed how this turned out. That's big concrete. Let me try to get the smaller one out. Alright, got my dog bowl. Got a little chip, but now that this is out, let's get this shit weighed. Okay, so now it's time to weigh the Griff weights. To be honest, I have no idea how much this. I'm gonna say this one weighs 7 pounds. Let's check it. Dun-dun. Oh shit, 9.2. It's not bad. It's almost 10. Note for next time, put a little bit more concrete. Make that shit 10. By the way, these are my first weights. Just want everyone to know. First time working with concrete. Oh, this one, it says 400 pounds, but I'm going with 37. Oh shit. Oh wait. Let me get more in the middle. Wow, I might have been way off. Oh wait, shit. No, fuck, 37.8. Damn. I swear to God I didn't weigh these before. That was just a good ass guess.